Maurice Ravel, 1875–1937. Joseph Maurice Ravel was born in Cibourne, France, to a Basque mother and a Swiss father. He entered Paris Conservatory at age 14, where he studied the eminent French composer Gabriel Fauré. During his stint with the school, where he stayed until her early 20s, he composed a number of masterpieces. Compositional style of Ravel is mainly characterized by its uniquely innovative but not atonal style of harmonic treatment. It is defined with intricate and sometimes modal melodies, extended choral components. It demands considerable technical virtuosity from the performer, with a virtuoso being a person who exhibits exceptional musical technique or execution. The harmonic progression of and modulation in Ravel's work are not only musically satisfying but also pleasantly dissonant and elegantly sophisticated. His refined delicacy and color contrast and effects add to the difficulty in the proper execution of musical passages. These are extensively used in his works of a programmatic nature, wherein visual imagery is either suggestive or portrayed. Many of his works deal with water in its flowing or stormy moods, as well as with human characterizations. Ravel was a perfectionist in every bit of musical craftsman. He strongly adhered to the classical form, specifically its ternary structure. A strong advocate of the Russian music, he also admired the music of Chopin, Liszt, Schubert, and Mendelssohn. Kung alam paano basahin siya. Ravel's work includes the following: Pavane for a Dead Princess, Jeux Water Fountain, String Quartet, Sonatine for piano, Moi or Mirrors, Gaspard de la Nuit, a set of demonic-inspired pieces based on poems of Aloysius Bertrand, which is arguably the most difficult piece in the piano repertoire. Valses Nobles, Sentimentales, 1911, Lo Tembu, De Couperin, commemoration of musical advocacies in the early 18th century French composer François Couperin, Rhapsody Espagnole, Bolero, Daphnis de Chloe, Sergei Diaghilev, La Valse, Tzigani, and two piano concerti. Those were composed of relatively meager compositional output of Ravel, totaling approximately 60 pieces for piano, chamber, song cycles, ballet, opera, and he died in Paris. Yung pinakasikat niya is The Bolero by Louis Ravel.